Hello everyone, and welcome to the second Project Spark devlog. Last time, I announced Spark is a 2.5D platformer/Metroidvania, and showed off some of my early dev work on the project so far. Since then, I've been working on more core systems, mainly the 2.5D movement, camera, and refining movement and combat basics. Let's start with that whole 2.5D thing. Like I said last time, some of my favorite games are platformers and Metroidvanias, both 2D and 3D style. They all offer something wildly unique from one another, from their art style to mechanics, their world, and so on. Spark is its own thing, but obviously it takes inspiration from other projects that I really like. One of the biggest choices I ran into first was what perspective the game should take. A fully 3D game comes with a lot of extra hurdles when you can move in any direction, and you need to build a world that feels right from just about any angle. On the flip side, a fully 2D game comes with its own issues, mainly workload. Drawing out every asset and character by hand not only takes a lot of skill, but also just raw time. Plus, I'm more of a 3D guy, my 2D skills aren't as good. So I decided, why not meet somewhere in the middle? Why not build it like a 2D game, where we're mostly constrained to the horizontal movement, but take advantage of the fact we're in a 3D world. First, I tried simply locking actors to a certain plane, and that mostly worked, but it became very restrictive and prone to issues where things managed to get pushed off the axis. To make this work, I built an actor component that most of the moving actors use. This allows levels to be built with a lot more depth, where these splines can be placed throughout the level as pathways for characters to follow. It can also handle hopping between these splines to create different paths that crisscross into different areas of the level. And no matter what angle the player is at, the control scheme remains consistent and 2D. There's a few bugs to still work out, mainly camera movement, so that things don't get too floaty or disorienting for the player, but it's well on its way. To go along with this, I've been smoothing out movement and combat as well. Movement is overall faster. I've tried to make things like climbing and sliding snappier, though since I'm using mostly placeholder animations for right now, there's still some jank in there to shake out. As for combat, I've been building out the combo and hit detection systems. Right now, the logic is split 50-50 between the player tracking what step of the combo you're on, and animation notifies performing the hit detection and hang time stuff. Enemies react properly to hits, they track their own health and their current state. The same placeholder animation jank is there, but I'm super happy with how the system is coming along. Plus, with the way I've built it so far, the final animations can simply be plugged in later, and everything still continues to work out fine. I also have several art assets like characters and level assets in the works, but those are undergoing a lot of R&D right now and like style exploration. I'm aiming to have some more of them finalized for the next devlog though. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your amazing reception of the first video. If you want to see more and stay up to date, please do subscribe or join the Discord link down below. I'm aiming to maybe put out some smaller, quicker updates for you guys so that you don't have to wait so long in between these big info dumps. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.